guys for today's video. Ay nasa Circuit Makati kami para balikan ng Land Hot Pot. So the first time you tried here, hindi pa sa yung unlimited. Baga by package pala. Ngayon unlimited na sila and may buffet na sa loob. Tara, tignan natin kung ano yung mga ino-offer nila today. Yan ang kanilang rates. So it's weekends right now, so 899 then 799 for the regular days. So pagpasok mo, nandito na yung kanilang buffet. Parcel ng eggplant to. Alright. So hotdog, cheesy hotdog. Buffet na rin talaga. No? Like lemon chicken. May drinks lang included. And plain rice. Drinks. Ito yung seasoning nila. May mga fruits na rin. Pero yung ice cream ko. Dessert. Ayan guys, sobrang na-enjoy namin tong visit namin sa Unlimited Land Hot Pot dahil napaka high quality ng mga meat nila and fresh yung mga seafood. Plus, pet friendly rin sila. So yan ang aming Land Hot Pot experience. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.